Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because it's my very first collab. So I'm actually doing a collab with my good friend here on YouTube, Geetzemany Nevarez. So I will leave her channel linked down below. So we're both doing a collab together, and it's going to be a video about 10 brands, one product. So basically we've chosen 10 different brands that we love, and we're choosing our favorite products from the 10 brands. So very curious to see if she has any of the same products as me. Can't wait to see her video. So definitely go check her out. She does a lot of great content and she's very good with colorful makeup and looks, and I love her eyeshadow technique, and I've been talking to her ever since basically I started YouTube. So she's quickly become one of my close friends. And yeah, so let's get into this video. So like I said, I will link her channel and her video down below in the description box, and I will put up a video of, or a picture, sorry, of her channel up here as well, or here, whichever, up here. So that you guys can check her out. She does really good content, like I mentioned. All right, so let's get this started. So I have an array of 10 products here to show you, and it's going to be my 10 favorite products from 10 different brands. So the first one I will kick off is Morphe. This may come to no surprise to you, but this is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. So this is definitely my favorite product from Morphe. I have loved this eyeshadow palette for some time. I've definitely found that it has a good array of colors, and the blendability is amazing. The shimmers are great. We've got little pops of color here, which I personally haven't really dipped into, but it doesn't mean that I won't. And I definitely do love this palette. I use it often. It's definitely a good everyday palette. So this is my favorite product from Morphe. Next up, we have Nars. So I've loved Nars for quite some time as well. I've been using their products for a few years. Definitely my favorite product from them is the Laguna Bronzer. I use this all the time. It's great for contouring and bronzing up the skin. Definitely one of my go-to products, and I'm really happy to have this in my collection. Yeah, so I just use it basically as a bronzer on my cheekbones, and then I bring it up to the perimeter of my forehead and back down on the other cheekbone as well, and it just gives a good bronze look to the skin. Definitely a go-to, and it is also a cult classic. Next up, we have Huda Beauty, and this is her Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick. I have the shade in Mogul, M-O-G-U-L, Mogul, I don't know. I'm going to do a swatch for it. This is such a pretty color, and if you have not tried the Demi Matte formula, you need to. It is phenomenal. It's so comfortable on the skin, and I just love it. It's very hydrating. So this is the shade right here. So it's definitely an everyday pinky nude. Definitely one of my favorites, and this is my favorite product from Huda Beauty. Next up, we have Covergirl. This is a new product to my collection. It is the Covergirl Exhibitionist Hydrofuge Mascara. No, that was the French side. It's the Covergirl Exhibitionist Waterproof Mascara. I have the shade in Very Black. So I got this mascara a few weeks ago, and it has quickly become my favorite. I love the wand. It's like natural bristles, and these are my favorite wands to use when it comes to mascara, just because I find that the natural bristles are so easy to give volume, and I'm not one to typically like the plastic bristles, just because I find that I always end up poking my eye with them. So I definitely like this. This is definitely, in my opinion, a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I just really love this. It's definitely one of my favorite mascaras. So this would be my favorite product from Covergirl. Next up, we have the mighty, the great Colourpop. So this is the shade Lumiere from Colourpop. So those of you who know Kathleen Lights probably know that she created this shade a few years ago, and it was my favorite shade out of the Lippie Stix that they have. It is a matte formula, and it is like a mauve color. Such a pretty color, and it's again an everyday color that you can use. So I'll do a swatch of that. It's like a purpley mauve color. Definitely beautiful, and by far my favorite product from Colourpop. I love their eyeshadow palettes too, but I wear this so much. This is the second one that I buy, so it's definitely my favorite product from Colourpop. And next up we have Buxom. So these are the Primer-Infused blushes, and this is the blush in Dolly. So this is my favorite product from Buxom. I do love their lip glosses as well, but this by far, nothing can beat this color. I love it, and nothing can beat this. Actually, I love all the colors, but this is my favorite formula in blush, so I'll definitely swatch that as well. So again, it's like a nude color, and I just find it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It lasts all day, and it's such a beautiful color. So that is my favorite product from Buxom. Next we have MAC. This was the first high-end product, or high-end brand I should say, that I ever purchased from. I believe it was an eyeshadow primer. That was my first product from MAC. And then my good friend Melissa got me to get 2 eyeshadows from MAC as well, and I just fell in love. But this is definitely a good one. So this is the lip color Brave. So this is actually the lip color that I have on my lips today, and it is again another pinky nude. These are definitely my favorite shades if you haven't noticed. So I'll swatch it right here. It's definitely similar to like the blush. It's right there. Such a pretty color. I wear this one all the time. And then my last 3 products are eyeshadow palettes, which is my favorite makeup product by all means in the makeup categories. So first up we have we have Too Faced, which I love their brand, and we have the Too Faced Natural Eyes eyeshadow palette. So this had been reformulated or repackaged. So it used to come in like a tin box, and now they recently changed it to this beautiful packaging. It's like an acrylic packaging. It's heavy, it's luxurious. I love this product, and I love the shadows. Everything about this is great. So in here you have some pretty neutral mattes, you have some shimmers, and it's like a mauve brown color, I guess. Definitely love the names. So you have Heaven, Cashmere Bunny, Sexpresso, Silk Teddy, Push Up, Erotica, Strip Poker, Honey Pot, and Chocolate Martini. So that's that palette there. This is definitely a well-loved palette in my collection. And I could never go without mentioning this product. This is Dose of Colors, which I also, again, love a lot of their products, but this one by far is my favorite. This is the Marvelous Mauves palette from them. Show you what the inside looks like. So we've got a lot of pretty purple tones, and this is an all matte palette. So definitely I use this and pop a little bit of shimmer in the lid from one of my singles or do an all matte look, and this is phenomenal. So I am definitely a pinky mauve fan, in case you haven't noticed, and I definitely love this product from Dose of Colors. And last but not least, I feel like this video went way too quick. Maybe we should have done 20 products from 20 brands. Do I have 20 brands in my collection? I don't even know. Anyways, this is the last product. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This is my very favorite palette that she has ever made. It's definitely the top one. I've hit pan on 2 of the shades, and I just love this palette for everyday looks. a lot of the shades that I use. So obviously I use Golden Ochre, so that I'll just put all over the lid. Tempera as well is a beautiful shade. My palette is very dirty. I use Burnt Orange, Raw Sienna. I love the warm taupe color. I also use Cypress Umber. Every shade in this is absolutely beautiful, and I will eventually do a video with my go-to shades and my go-to look with this palette. This is definitely a well-loved palette in my collection. All right, so I hope that you guys liked this video. It was so much fun, and thank you so much to my friend Geetzemany Nevarez for collabing with me for this video. It was a lot of fun to do. Definitely check out her channel, check out her video. And yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely do so down below. If you're coming from her channel, welcome. I'm a newer YouTuber. I've been around for the last month or so creating content, so every video seems to get better in my collection of videos. So I hope that you guys will stick around and join this journey for me, or join this journey with me, and become part of my little YouTube family that we've created. And if you're coming around from her channel, welcome. And I hope that you guys will subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so that you can be advised when I upload next. Take care, guys. Bye!